Do you want to make money even when you are sleeping? And would you like to earn $2,000 every week without working all day? Let me tell you a little secret. Right now, in 2025, there are kids, moms, dads, and even grandpas who make money without a normal job. They make money when they are eating, playing games, or even watching movies. This is called passive income, and it is real. Today, I will show you 8 passive income ideas that can help you make up to $2,000 a week. And don't worry, I will explain everything like I am your friend telling you stories. Before we start, please hit that subscribe button. It helps us a lot, and you'll get more simple and fun ways to make money every week. What is passive income? So, what is passive income? Let me tell you a little story. My friend Sam loved to play video games. One day, he made a funny video about a game and posted it on YouTube. Guess what? After some time, that video kept making money even when Sam was asleep. He called it money magic, but we call it passive income. Passive income means you work once and it keeps paying you again and again. Idea number 1, YouTube automation. My cousin Jake didn't like to show his face, but he loved cartoons. One day, he learned about YouTube automation. This means you don't even have to record videos by yourself. You can hire people to make videos for you. Someone writes the story, another person does the voice, and another edits the video. All Jake did was upload the videos and wait. Guess what? After 3 months, one of his cartoon videos went viral. Now, even when Jake is playing soccer with friends, he checks his phone and sees new money coming from YouTube every day. People are watching, liking, and sharing his videos. You can make videos about animals, funny stories, gadgets, or even top 10 lists. With time, you could make $500 to $2,000 a week easily. Idea number 2, selling digital products. Have you ever drawn something on the computer? Or made a fun worksheet for school? Well, my teacher's friend Lisa started selling digital products. She made printable coloring books, fun planners, and study guides. These are files that people buy online and download instantly. The best part? Lisa made them once, and people kept buying them every day. She didn't need to print anything or ship anything. Just upload it on websites like Etsy or Gumroad, and people buy and download them. Now, Lisa earns around $1,500 every week just from selling things she made months ago. All she does is enjoy her tea and check her sales on her phone. You can do the same. You can sell drawings, planners, birthday cards, stickers, or even simple learning worksheets. Idea number 3, print-on-demand business. Do you love t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases with cool designs? I know I do. My neighbor Emma started a print-on-demand store. She didn't buy 100 shirts and keep them at home. No, she just made designs on her computer, and when someone ordered a shirt, the company printed and shipped it. Emma makes funny cat designs, and people love them. Every week, people order shirts, hoodies, and even pillows with her designs. She earns $500 to $2,000 per week without touching any of the products herself. You can make designs about your favorite animals, hobbies, or jokes. The company does the hard work like printing and shipping. You just earn the money. Idea number 4, affiliate marketing. Let me tell you about Tom. Tom loved video games. He started telling people on TikTok and Instagram about cool gaming gadgets. But here's the smart part. He used affiliate links. Affiliate links are special links. When someone clicks Tom's link and buys something, Tom gets paid. He didn't have to make the gadgets, just recommended them. Tom started small, but as more people clicked his links, he began earning more and more. Now he makes around $2,000 a week, just by sharing links. You can recommend toys, books, clothes, or anything you like. Just join affiliate programs like Amazon, Share a Sale, or others. Share your links on YouTube, Instagram, or even in blogs. Oh, and if you're enjoying these ideas so far, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't yet. It really keeps us going. Idea number 5. Create an online course. Remember my friend Sam, the gamer? Well, his sister Mia was really good at painting. So she made a simple online course, teaching kids how to paint animals. She used her phone to record herself painting and explaining step by step. She uploaded it on a website called Udemy. The best part? Every time someone buys her course, she gets paid. And guess what? She made the course only once. Mia now earns around $1,000 to $2,000 every week just from this course. She sometimes adds new lessons, but most of the money comes without extra work. If you know how to draw, play guitar, bake cookies, or even teach math tricks, you can make a course too. Idea number 6. Mobile app income. You might think you need to be a computer genius to make an app, but no. In 2025, there are websites like Adalo and Glide where you can make simple apps without knowing coding. My Uncle Jack made a simple budget calculator app using one of these tools. He didn't know how to code, but he made it work. He added ads inside the app, and every time someone uses the app, he makes money from the ads. Now, hundreds of people use his app every day, and he makes $500 to $1,500 a week, all from something he made once. You can make apps about fun quizzes, simple games, or tools like calculators, and earn passive income easily. Idea number 7. Rent. Anything. Did you know you can make money by renting your things? My friend Ben's family had an extra room in their house. They put it on Airbnb, and every time someone visited their town, they stayed in Ben's room and paid money. Ben's older brother had a camera he didn't use much, so he put it on a website where people rent cameras for short trips. He started making extra money every week. People even rent bikes, cars, or tools. You don't have to sell your stuff. Just rent it when you're not using it. Ben's family now makes over $2,000 a week from just the room and the camera. Idea number 8. Invest in dividend stocks. Don't worry, I'll explain this simply. Dividend stocks are like magic money shares. You buy a small piece of a big company, like Disney or Coca-Cola, and they pay you little bits of money called dividends every few months. My grandpa did this. He saved some money and bought dividend stocks. Now, even though he is retired, he gets checks from those companies just for owning the stocks. The more you invest, the more you earn. Some people earn $500 to $2,000 every week just from dividends. You don't have to be old to do this. You can start small and grow. So friends, passive income is real, fun, and very possible in 2025. Whether you love drawing, making videos, sharing links, or renting your stuff, you can make money while you sleep. The trick is, start small, be patient, keep learning. Remember, like planting a tree, it takes time. But once it grows, you will enjoy sweet fruits every day. If you found even one idea helpful today, do me a small favor. Hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who also wants to make money while sleeping. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with even more awesome ideas.